families, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, there is a series going on which is Indian festive series. So this is Gujarati traditional look. So on Navratri's last day I felt like posting this video, and if you want to know how I got this, then please keep on watching. So to start up my face, I always spritz some face mist or priming water. So after that I'm gonna put up some primer so that my skin is nicely prepped for foundation and my base. Then next I'm gonna take this strobing cream from Maybelline. I wanted a little dewy illuminating base, so that's why I put it under my foundation. And next I moved on to my foundation, dotted on the flat kabuki brush, and then blended it with the same brush. Then on concealer, I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 medium. I'm going to just apply it under my eyes, above my eyelids and around my mouth a little bit, and blend it with a beauty blender. Then I'm going to set my under eyes with translucent powder, and I'm going to dab that sponge all over my face and then brush it off the excess powder. Then for eyeshadow, I'm going to take this orangey taupey shade and just apply it all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this peach shade and I'm going to apply it little bit above my crease, blend it nicely in a circular and back and forth motion. Then next I'm going to take this pink shade and I'm going to apply it in the depth of my crease, as in the hollow of my crease, just back and forth motion, blend it seamlessly. Once that is done, I'm gonna move on to this pink shimmery shade. You can use loose pigment also if you want. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid, first with the brush, and then just to emphasize the intensity, I'm gonna pat it with my fingertips. Then I'm gonna put this kajal onto my waterline as well as my, I'm gonna tightline my eyes. And then I'm gonna move on to the green kajal, green eyeliner. It's a turquoise green color. I just wanted some color because Navratri and Gujarati looks are all about colors. So I took that green turquoise color, I put it onto my lower lash line, and then took this shimmery green shade from the eyeshadow palette and then smoked out a little bit onto my lower lash line with an angular brush. Like always, I'll be putting all my product links in the description box. So if you want to know what products I'm using and which brand I'm using, then please check it out. Then for eyeliner, I'm using gel eyeliner from Maybelline. I'm just gonna make a simple eyeliner with that. Next, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows, shape them, blend them. That's all. No extra activity on my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and my inner corners with a Savannah Colors highlighter. Then back to my face, same contouring. I'm gonna contour hollows of my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose, and hollows of my foreheads, my temples, little bit under my lower lip and my chin. Then next is blush. I love blush, as I said in my last video. I'm just gonna apply it on apples of my cheeks, little bit on my nose tip, and yeah. And then I'm gonna apply highlighter on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, on my forehead, chin, and a little bit on my cupid's bow. Here is the fun part. So Gujarati tribal traditional look is all about this trajwa mark. So I called up my friend and I asked for pictures with these marks, and she had sent me few options. So I tried to copy them, and I am not that great in drawing, but I just tried. So I made a symbol on my forehead, 3 dots onto my eyes, like besides my eyes, one cross on my cheekbone, and then 3 dots on my chin, and then little bit on my neck, So yeah, if you want any, you can Google it and then you can make of your choice. That's it for this. And like, nothing so fancy. It's very easy. I was scared a little bit in the beginning, but then I found it easy. And yeah, just wear some bold lip color. I went for maroonish red. And yeah, this is done. I tried few jewelries, like I changed my earrings and then I saw which one is looking better. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you must have liked it. It was a different kind of series on my channel. If you have liked it, then please give me a big fat thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and share my video as much as you can. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye.